7 Proven Strategies to Boost Your Affiliate Marketing Income. Welcome back, affiliate marketers. In today's video, we're going to reveal 7 proven strategies that will skyrocket your affiliate marketing income. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro, these strategies are guaranteed to boost your earnings and take your affiliate marketing game to the next level. So, let's dive right in. The first strategy is all about choosing profitable niches. Research and identify niches that have high demand and low competition. By focusing on niche markets with hungry buyers, you increase your chances of earning lucrative commissions. Next, it's essential to build a solid affiliate network. Connect with reputable affiliate programs and networks that offer high-quality products or services. Look for programs that provide excellent commissions, reliable tracking systems, and valuable resources to support your marketing efforts. Strategy number 3 is all about creating compelling content. Whether it's blog posts, videos, or social media content, make sure your content is valuable, engaging, and relevant to your audience. Focus on solving their problems, addressing their needs, and showcasing the benefits of the products or services you promote. Moving on to strategy number 4, we have implementing effective SEO techniques. Optimize your content with relevant keywords, meta tags, and captivating headlines. By improving your search engine visibility, you increase your chances of attracting organic traffic and potential customers. Strategy number 5 is leveraging the power of email marketing. Build an email list of engaged subscribers and regularly send them valuable content and offers related to your affiliate products. Cultivating a strong relationship with your audience through email can lead to increased conversions and higher affiliate commissions. Social media is our next strategy. Utilize platforms like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and YouTube to promote your affiliate products. Engage with your audience, share valuable content, and leverage the power of influencer marketing to expand your reach and drive more traffic to your affiliate offers. Last but not least, strategy number 7 is tracking and analyzing your results. Use analytics tools and tracking software to monitor the performance of your affiliate campaigns. Identify what's working and what's not, and make data-driven decisions to optimize your strategies and maximize your affiliate marketing income. And there you have it, 7 proven strategies to boost your affiliate marketing income. By implementing these techniques, you'll be well on your way to earning higher commissions and achieving your financial goals. Remember, success in affiliate marketing takes dedication, consistency, and a willingness to adapt. Stay focused, keep learning, and watch your income soar. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more valuable content. Until next time, happy affiliate marketing. Thank you for watching our video. If you enjoyed this content, be sure to check out our other videos on affiliate marketing tips and strategies. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and click the notification bell so you never miss an update. Remember, your success is our success. See you in the next video.